Kia ora tātou katoa. Tūtahia ki nā kei te mihi ki te maune tū mai nei muri kia kiha tui nei te whenua tui nei a tātou i tēnei rani. Me te mahara ke ki o nini i reira te kakātana o te mura o te ahi. I tūtaki ai o koutou tipuna te mauna rau ko Hinepu ko Hurat. Ki anō tātou mātua ko te whare o Hinepu ko Hurani, ko te ahoa ho tūkapua, ko Ruataahuna tēnei, ki anō tātou mātua he tapu katoa nā kōrero o Ruataahuna. Nō reira ko nā koe nei ka tū nā hui nunui, a Tūhoe ki Ruataahuna. Ki anō ho Tapuae nā kōrero kia maua i a tātou, te iho e rā kōrero e kore e maro ke tia e te wareware. Tēnei te mihia ki wā koutou whakahuahua i Matariki, te rerena o Matariki o Puana i te mātahi o te tau. I whakahuihui ai tātou i tēnei wāna te kautau o te waitahutana o nā kōrero rangatira te krauna rau ko Tūhoe ki te whaia te motu. E whakamaumaharahia nei e koutou e tātou katoa. O te tino kaupapa i tēnei wā ko te whakaari i te Tapuae, o he Tapuae koe nei nā kōrero. E tui hia ana e wainanui e a tātou me te karau. Dreaming, well, that's planning. The SMP, we started off some 5 years ago. It kind of was a transactional relationship. It was awkward, it was uncomfortable. We didn't really know what we were doing, but we were having a go at it. And Tūhoe gave the Crown a D- grade on it and gave ourselves a B+. It was very fair. And so here we are, we're having a second go at it. From the shadows, he Tapuae, to leaving footprints on the ground, he Tapuae is what we're calling it. And it looks like that this understanding, this arrangement we have looks like a relationship document, more a relational document, and it has that feel to it. And so in another 5 years, we're going to get together, hopefully again in Ruataahuna, and we're going to review that 5 years and look forward to the next 5 years. And that would be, in my dream, a transformational document, an arrangement that we have. And in that, I believe we will meet the dreams of John Rangihau with Puao Te Atatu. It's taken us far too long, but I'd just like to say to you, the Crown, this was where Puao Te Atatu was launched, at this marae, at this place. And it has been in the back of our minds that all of the dreams and aspirations that came from that document, I think we are nearing that point in which we will bring those things together. So, ka tika, ko te kōrero nā, kia tātou nā, e haere nā tātou ki te whai au, ki te ao mārama. I'd just like to tell a little bit of a story that last night I had to counsel the most senior Crown CE present today. I won't name her, but she works for MSD. Anyway, I had to counsel her last night because some of you may know that there has been a bit of media attention on Tūhoe of late, and there have been an exchange of some, debates and words between certain parties. So I had to go to this most senior Crown CE that's present today. I think her first name's Debbie, and but we won't reveal that. Anyway, I said to her, "Hey, you're accused of being rude and vulgar. What do you say to that?" Bullshit! I don't know how she gets a job with government. Anyway, I think that today is something that is about good relationships. So a good relationship is a marriage between good people who are good forgivers. So what we haven't done well over the last 5 years, we want to do better in the next 5 years. So together, these Crown agencies and these Tūhoe tribal authorities that are present today are rejecting failure. We reject failure. And together, we are going to impose on ourselves sacrifice for a successful outcome in the next 5 years. We accept that this commitment to be a generational work of devotion, and that we require each other and we need many other people to make this happen. Our objective is to enhance peace, justice and truth for all Tūhoe people and to raise the honour of the Crown in the eyes of Tūhoe. I think that will be worth the cost and the expense of what we are undertaking. Our combined wisdom, Tūhoe and the Crown, and the integrity that we need to bring to our mahi can only be displayed by our actions, not by our messages. We can say whatever we like. If we don't do what we are setting out to do, then we have not come to raise our honour and integrity. All of us, we agreed to be more careful of our principles and values and our actions rather than our egos and our resources. All of us are beyond the intimidation of those people who like, and this is my new word, those who like promenading. Promenading, I'm told, is dressing up and strutting up and down to be seen and to see. It's my flash word for protesters. Simply, this is about taking our chances to be better and to do better, both the Crown and Tūhoe. Like you, Tūhoe Ranatahi, when we were a little bit nervous about what they were going to say. So my advice to some of the rangatahi was, remember, as far as anyone knows, we're a nice, normal iwi. When I said, right, and they go, no, we're not. We're weird, and we're really strange. And you know, ko taku kōrero ki a koutou ki nā rangatahi, ka pai ke wā koutou kōrero, ka pai ke wā koutou mahi. Me taku tono, kia puritia e koutou nā tohu tuku, I tuku nei hoi o tātou mātua ki tērā whakatipurana, ka tukuna mai ki tōku whakatipurana, kai te tuku atu ki tō koutou whakatipurana. Ara nā tohu nā pūmanawa o tō koutou Tūhoe tana I kōrero hi ai kone. Ai, te nā kau iti, me tū koe hai tana tamarai, me mau ia koe te ihi, me puku manawa koe, me tū rana tira koe, me mōhio koe ki te tukuora, ki te tukuroa, me mōhio koe ki te pono, kia maurawa kaurawa e mahue te mate ao. Koe nei nā pū manawa o tō tātou Tūhoe tana, mā koutou e whakatairana e pupuri mō nā tau mutuna kore. I like also to make mention of how pleased we all are kia koutou o te waimana kāku, kai konei. Marewa, koutou nā ranatahi, o te waimana kāku kua te mai ki konei, me ki au nā koutou kua kitea mai tātou katoa. Kua rite tātou, kua kapi tō tātou whare, te whare o Tūhoe. Kua oti a koutou te whakaimi a tātou katoa kia kotahi. Koutou te waimana kāku me koutou Newton o Ngāti Ruapani. Kua tai mai ki konei. Ka nui te hari o te koa. Ko tātou tēnei ko Tūhoe. Debbie, kai te mihi kia koe, nau i arahi mai te karauna, kia kōrua ko tō minita kia Carmel, mo ana kōrero pono, mo ana kōrero tika tautoko i a tātou. Ka tahi au ka kite i te kaha o te kāwanatanga. You know, you have a minister that is Samoan, and then you have the CEO of MSD who's a tarara, and the whole of government relies on two women, one a Samoan and one a tarara. It couldn't get any better. So the crown's honour has been salvaged and saved today. Nā mihi aroha kia koutou, i tae nei e tātou, te whai kōrero kia tātou anō i tēnei rani. And also a mention to all of you, Caroline, Iona, Kararaina, John, Glennis, kia koutou katoa kua tae mai. Thank you very much. I know especially that I know that Caroline and Iona don't really like leaving Wellington that much. And I think they came for the experience of seeing pigs and other cattle, bovines on the road, and the experience of riding on a metal road. I've got a blind and deaf driver taking you back afterwards, and in an unlicensed car. So can I just say on behalf of Tūhoe and on behalf of the tribals that are here, we all acknowledge receipt of your commitments and pledges today, and we do appreciate it. And that he tapuae, that we all hope that our feet bring us to where our hearts are. Kia ora tātou katoa.